Shots of reach. All right. Rian, no man. I stop. Hey chat. It is Saturday. Yes, I'm all dressed up. National red shirts, blue shorts, brown slippers, a green, a knockoff, Chinese Adidas bag. Yeah. Yeah, so up on the run some errands. So guys, remember I was telling you about getting another barrel based on the water woes or water issues. Yeah, so I spoke to the lady, so I might get to collect it today. But you know, if you call come through the taxi man, yeah, and see if him left on the road at work. You understand? So if him not work, can't pick it up. I'm not using other taxi. I work with the taxman that have been working with me. You understand? From a meeting downtown, because I went down there to buy furniture. Yeah, and him call him and we just liaison. And from this, so I've been using Plum Tree. Yeah, the little taxi driver there. Yeah, man, and him have good personality. So you know, so make work with him. Yeah, man, from personality, right? So. Alright, let's get on the road and start doing these errands. And happy Saturday to you all. Oh my look, oh my look. Rian! Why, brother? The rain brought me up. I was just pull the gate and the rain had come down. So I'm gonna get my umbrella. No man, I stand. The rain just come down so. Right. The skies are clear, chat, and the sun has out, and the rain just come down suddenly. Yeah, that's how the rain came down. Alright, chat, so me I walk with the umbrella. I don't know what kind of weather this. I really El Nino weather this, you know. Chat. It's all breezy. Oh my god. Shut the rain stop fall again. It wants me to skip over water. It's a skip to the low. Just finished pick up some items from ASAP. So let's head back into halfway through. Siki, later. Just a little security friend, you know? Alright, halfway through. Zero point jewelry.
Don't forget tablet and sale.
Tablet and sale. Ready to come out dengan again. The breadfruit are roast over there, so. The rain again. Jaja. Murder. Clock Tower Plaza. And the chat on the way to pick up the barrel. The Pamalines Road. Malines Road, Funny Malines. Chats of reach. Alright. So chats. Oh, plum shake here the barrel for me. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so this is it chat. We say it go wash out with bleach water. I didn't make a figure which part I want to put it, but basically in the kitchen, I guess. Too much should I eat? Alright. So chat, they wash it out already, but I wash it out again. Yeah, wash it out night with the cool, yeah. So chat, put it right inside the kitchen. Yeah, move this and put the barrel in its spots. Yeah, the fridge over fine shot. See there, you can see that. Cheese patty full up. So instead of beef patty today, I bought a cheese patty. And a grape juice. Them never have no Sprite in a juicy. Whew. Package. So a cream color top. It's small. Yeah, a cream color, stretchy. Size small, as I say. I'm putting a senior shot. So it's cream. Will a cream color top look good on me? Guess we'll find out soon enough. Brazil. A Brazil top. A SpongeBob 90. SpongeBob SquarePants. Once a man, twice a child. Hello. Yeah. SpongeBob. This is at the top. And this is the bottom. Pretty though, right? Love it. So it's a SpongeBob PG. These items I did not purchase. They were purchased for me. Okay. Moving along. Alright, this is a swimsuit and this is the bottom. It's the bottom. Top piece. Oh, this is it's a medium. I know some my top kinda, so purchase the top in medium so it fits better. I hope it does. And this is the mesh. Yeah. So these are not mine. Yeah, so the sister owned them. These are swimsuits. Take off them tag, yeah. This is a tag, right? Alright, so this is a SpongeBob PJ set. This is how it looks on me. This is the back. Bam, 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 bam. And this is the front. How is it looking, chat? Hello. Alright, it fits nice and comfy. Alright, so this is just the Brazil top. Yeah, fits nice and comfy. This is the back. Brazil, Brazil. So this is it. Alright, so this is the cream top. I love the little heart thing right there. So this is the back of it. Nice good cream top. Hey, rock away, rock away. It's a swimsuit, so chat. The bikini line, it not ready yet. You understand? So I can't too show no that much. So that's why I'm having a little mesh. Alright, so this is the swimsuit. Right? So it's the back. Can't really show much. That's the back. Okay. That's it. Quick spin. Yeah, quick 360. Alright, so I'm glad that this was bought in medium because most of the swimsuit top that I bought in small, it can't fit me. You understand? So I'm glad this was bought in medium. So the top hold the girls them properly. Love the color. Alright, let me put on the mesh for this now. Yeah. So this is the mesh. Alright. Go back. How is it looking, chat? Oh. Yeah, so that was the back. And how is it looking, chat? Lovely, lovely, lovely.